Now I'd like to invite you to uncross your legs, let your shoulders be soft, and if you're comfortable closing your eyes, close your eyes. We're going to enter a time of meditation together. We call this entering the silence in you, the sacred space in you. It is a sacred space of limitless possibilities. Sometimes it's hard to think that I'm limitless. When I feel so limited at times, it's when I enter the silence inside that I reaffirm and realize my limitless me, my limitless joy, my limitless love. There are no limits on our connection. There are no limits on our ability to care. There are no limits on our ability to touch each other's heart. There are no limits on our ability in the body or out of the body to share love with those who are gone, who've passed into spirit. There is no limit, none. I take great delight in that today, in the limitless possibility that's in me, that's in you, that's in we. We are limitless. As you focus on that quiet space inside, we'll sit together for a few moments, affirming I am limitless. And as we breathe in and as we breathe out, we affirm that as we look at the external world and we see limitations, we will return to our inner core, our inner spirit, where we have limitless possibilities. We open our mind to those unlimited possibilities. And so it is. And so it is.